Unlocking cursed techniques in Roblox Sorcery is like finding the crown jewel of your magic crown. It's a journey filled with challenges, but the rewards are worth every effort. To begin, you must enter the mysterious dream world. Use a sleeping pill or reach level 50 to be transported there randomly. Before diving into Dream World, make sure to roll for the curse technique you desire by speaking with Mahito NPC. This step is crucial for your success. Reaching level 25 is your first milestone. Complete missions and use sorcery codes to level up quickly. Check your stats by sleeping in the house at the spawning location. Improving your grade to become a grade 2 sorcerer or curse is essential. Keep completing missions to enhance your character's grade. Once in Dream World, your task is to find the glowing green orb. It's often in hard to reach spots, so be prepared to jump like a kangaroo. Interact with the green orb to enter the obby cave. The platforms are hidden in darkness, so wait for glimpses of light to guide your jumps. Turn up the brightness on your monitor to see better, but be cautious. One wrong move can lead to your demise in this incredibly challenging obby. Successfully completing the obby will grant you the cursed technique you rolled for. Practice and memorize the obstacles to increase your chances of success. Now that you know the secrets to unlocking cursed techniques, dive into sorcery and become the ultimate sorcerer. Remember, the journey is tough, but the power is unmatched. Stay magical.